So, Google is gearing up to unveil its next-generation Pixel smartphones next month, and recent leaks suggest a significant and much-needed upgrade is on the horizon. According to Android Authority, which cites sources familiar with the matter, the upcoming Pixel 9 series comprising the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL will feature an ultrasonic fingerprint reader. This advancement is expected to enhance the responsiveness and accuracy of the biometric sensor in these new devices. In previous Pixel models, the fingerprint readers have garnered numerous complaints due to their unresponsiveness and inaccuracy. Google's support forums are filled with users expressing frustration over the optical sensors currently in use, which are prone to issues and are inherently limited to 2D scanning. The switch to an ultrasonic sensor should address these problems by offering higher fidelity in fingerprint recognition, improved security for device unlocking, and better performance even with wet displays or fingers. Besides the upgraded fingerprint sensor, Google is also expected to make significant improvements to the core hardware of the Pixel 9 series. Reports from the supply chain indicate that the new Pixels will feature an enhanced display, potentially utilizing dual-stack technology. This technology promises a brighter display with a longer lifespan and reduced power consumption, marking a notable improvement over previous models. The official launch event for the Pixel 9 series is scheduled for August 9. During this event, Google is expected to unveil the 3 new Pixel 9 handsets, along with the next generation of Google AI. This launch is poised to showcase Google's continued innovation and commitment to improving the user experience with its flagship smartphones. The new sensor is not the only upgrade that Google is expected to make to the core hardware of the Pixel 9 series. An improved display has been spotted in the supply chain. Google could be preparing to use dual-stack technology, which will offer the Pixel 9 a brighter display, with a longer life and reduced power consumption. Google is holding a launch event on August 9th, where the 3 Pixel 9 handsets will launch, along with the next generation of Google AI. The Pixel 9 series is poised to bring significant advancements in both biometric security and display technology. With the anticipated launch just around the corner, enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting to see how these upgrades will enhance the overall user experience. The move to an ultrasonic fingerprint reader and the adoption of dual-stack display technology are clear indicators of Google's commitment to innovation and user satisfaction. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 9 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.